Hello friends, in this tutorial we see the basic things or basic commands that we used in a MasterCam software. So how to use this command and how to prepare the given object here in a graphic screen, just we have to see. If suppose we have to set the dimensions, first of all we have to go for the setting, configuration. Now from here we can changing the dimensions. Suppose we require the dimensions in millimeters, so we keep as a dimension as a millimeter, and we can keep the dimension as a metric. So this is how we can set the dimensions. Suppose if anything you require to draw, so there are so many commands are available. Draw commands, line command, circle command, rectangle, fillet command. Suppose I want to giving the fillet to this given component, so click onto the fillet, select the fillet radius. Suppose I want to take a fillet of 10 mm radius, select the first entity and second entity. So in this way we can doing the modeling of the given object. Suppose I want to draw the any line with respect to this 0 point, so click onto the 0 point. If we are moving in upward direction, so it's changing the angle of 90 degree, in downward direction 270 degree, rightward direction 0 degree, and in leftward direction 180 degree. Suppose I want to prepare the one line of 100 mm in leftward direction, so just here we have to put the 180, press the enter button and click OK. So now in this way we can prepare the with the help of any command we can draw the line, circle. Okay, so here we can draw the circle. Click on onto the circle. Suppose I want to create the circle here with respect to point. Just put down the radius. Suppose I require the radius of 10 mm. Press enter. So we can prepare the any type of object. Suppose here we require to delete this portion, in between portion, and we have to giving this curve. So we can use the trim command, edit, trim. So here for the use of trim command, suppose you require to delete the outer portion of this circle. So first of all we have to select the inner part of the circle. Then after selected the connecting line. So again select the circle, select the connecting line. So remaining portion get trimmed out. Now again use the command trim, select the circle, select the outer portion of the line. So again we use this command, go for the trim, edit, trim, select the line, this rear line required to be deleted, click onto the circle, then select the line, click onto the circle. So in this way we can do the any type of modeling by using this command. So just I want to delete all these things, so select all these things and press the delete button. Now we can delete it. So here particularly three planes are given: top plane, front plane and right plane and isometric plane. So for modeling purpose we are using the top plane, and there are the 4 quadrants. The first quadrant generally used for the modeling the component having the circular in shape, means the component that required to be manufactured with the help of lathe machine. Then we can prepare this component in a first quadrant, and with the help of milling machine the component is prepared in a last quadrant. So this is the various commands. So in a file we can start the new file, click onto the new. So this is the new file. We can open the existing file, we can save the file, save as the file as per the required format. We can import the folder, export the folder. So this is the menu under the file, edit, cut, copy, paste, delete command, the simple command that used in any software. Then trim command, join entities, modified the spline. So these are the few commands are under the edits. View command, we can fit the given component within the screen. There is the fit command, pan command, we can changing the position of the given component with the help of pan command, zoom in, zoom out. Then analyze. Here we can analyze the angle between any two entities. We can define the distance. Then create. The same commands available inside the create, that is point, line, arc, fillet, chamfer, spline, curve, surface, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon. So this command generally required for the modeling purpose. Then solid command. After the creating the object in a 2D, we can use this command and convert this 2D object into the 3D with the help of extrude command. So we can add in the material. Revolve. We can do the revolve as like a modeling software, as like a CATIA. We use all these commands: chamfer, draft, trim, shell. Then expand. Again we can translate the given object at the required place. We can do the mirror, we can do the rotate, scaling, offset. So all these commands are available as like a AutoCAD. So same commands are available here. Now the very important command, this is the type of machine. So the given software having the capability to operate for the milling operation, for the lathe, wire cutting, router, and for designing purpose. Now under this tool path we can do such type of operation: roughing operation, finish operation, thread operation, grooving, facing, cutting, drilling, right? So all this operation we can perform. Then screen. So this is particularly setting the screen, and obviously setting we can go for the customization, we can change the color and all these things. So this is the basic menus available onto the screen. Same menus, important menus are available to the next line. We can use the wireframe, we can see the given component in a shaded. Then same important commands are available here. Then the position of the cursor can be shown on to the X and Y position. If we are using the isometric plane, then it again showing the X and Y direction movement. It not showing in the Z direction, right? Because we consider the Z direction as a 0 direction here. Now go for the top. Now suppose we have to develop this model with the help of commands onto the graphics screen. Then we can easily develop it. So see the size of 80 by 150 mm. So first of all we develop the rectangle of 180 by 50. So click onto the screen, center point. So this distance we require the 180. So X direction we require the 150, and the Y direction we require the 80. Just put down the direction and press the enter button and click onto the green button. So now this is how we can create the rectangle. Suppose I want to create the one circle here with the distance of 25 mm and 40 mm. So we can prepare the line of 40 mm in this direction. So prepare 40 with the angle of 0 degree. Now with respect to this line, we can draw the another line of 40 mm. So in 40 mm distance in the 90 degree angle direction. So this is the center of this circle. So here we can draw the circle. We have to put down the radius of circle here. So it's a radius of 5. So now we can prepare the circle here. So just delete out the remaining lines. Same component suppose I want to create here. So it is symmetrical part. So from the center point I have to draw the one line. Now we can transform the given circle with respect to this line. So here we have to use the command mirror command. Select the center line, just click OK, press the enter button. So this is how we can create the required position of the given circle. Now another part we have to create here one slot of 30 mm with a distance of 50. So again I have to draw the one line, that is 50 mm in 0 degree angle. Now this is the line. From this I have to draw the 30 mm line. So 30 mm in 90 degree. Now again 50 mm in 0 degree. Enter, and last line it is connected to or it's having the distance of 30 mm in 270 degree. 270. Okay, so now we can delete this first line. Now I want to delete this in between line. Go for the edit, trim, select the first part of the line and select the remaining portion. So the remaining line get deleted, so we can prepare the another line. So now this is the complete modeling of the given component shown in figure. But again here there is the some fillet is there, but their radius is not shown. So click onto the fillet, select here fillet radius as a 5, enter, select the first entity and second entity, first entity and second entity, click OK. So this is the actual modeling that we can perform. So after modeling, suppose we require to convert the given component in a 3D. Currently it's a 2D. It required to be converted in 3D. Go for the solid, go for the extrude, then select the chain. So select the one line of the given component, click OK. Now here we are having the three commands: create body, cut body and add boss. So create body is used for the converting the given 2D component into the 3D. Cut body for removing the part. Here we have to put the distance, the total thickness of the given part, suppose 50, click OK. Now we are getting the solid part. So solid part can be seen with the help of shaded color. So this is the part that we create, right? But that part having the circles, two circles, that circles can be highlighted after the giving the some command by using use of machine type. So this component get prepared with the help of milling machine. So here we can use the milling machine. We can go for the stock setup, go for the properties, stock setup, click the bounding box command, click OK. So now these are the dimensions of the given component, click OK. Now suppose we have to reduce the or we have to do the operations. So with the help of toolpath we can doing the operations, contour, drilling, pocket, facing command. So these are the few 3D commands are used for the development of the program. So I think this is sufficient to know about how to use the MasterCam software. So now we see how to save the file. Go for the file, save as, and here we can change the name of file, that is T121. I am giving the name, and the type of file, that is the MasterCam X5 file. Click OK, done. Now that file gets saved. So this is how we can do the modeling with the help of MasterCam software for the required shape and required size. Thank you.